Let's look at streaming video provider and how we make money with the live stream pay-per-view. So notice I am in the Chrome browser right now. Earlier on the Mac I was in Safari, but the Chrome browser works with some features of streaming video provider that Safari didn't, or at least it used to. I just feel like downloading Chrome and installing it on the Mac and using streaming video provider with that works a little bit better. So do that. So we will log in. Okay. So these are the fights that we've had. And what I did was I put them in playlists over here. This is it doesn't necessarily have to be in a playlist, but this is the easiest way to keep up with stuff. So let's see. Yes, Summer Stand and Strike. All right, I'm looking through. So what we need to do is SummerSlam. So I'm going to add a playlist. All right, so now we have SummerSlam. And we need to add a live stream. So we'll click on live stream. Create new live stream. We'll save it in the playlist for SummerSlam 2. I'm not sure what enable recording. Oh, wait. Enable record for the live stream. All produced videos will appear in the same playlist as the one as the stream is saved into. Yes. So enable recording, hit create. Okay. One of the first things you can do so that you know that which one you're working on is to upload the image for the fight into there. So this is the one I downloaded from Facebook. Right, so this is the one we're working on. So we have tags and descriptions. You can choose what you want to put in there. I'm just putting in this right now. These are descriptions that you can get off of Facebook that Brian writes. And then click on save before you move on to the next tab. Monetize. It's not going to be free to watch. So we need a pay-per-view ticket. I want to try and decide which pay-per-view ticket. So what I've been doing in order for people to not watch the previous fights for free is creating a ticket for each fight. So I need to go and create a ticket first. So I hit save. Now the next thing we're going to do is create a ticket. We move this over here. The way you do that is, I have to relearn this every time because I only do it every 2 months. Paywalls and tickets. Alright, so I was under settings, pay-per-view, paywalls, and tickets. So we're going to, first of all, I'm going to look at an old paywall just to kind of see what I've got there. And I'm wondering if I could just copy this one. No. And I'm not really sure what the difference is between paywalls and tickets. So I'm going to just go on and click a new paywall. And I'm going to name it SummerSlam 2 SS. I'm going to name it the whole thing. SummerSlam 2. That's the paywall. All right, and then you need to add a new ticket. I did this for several at once, like for several fights at once, and just went through and picked them up and used them. This time we can just do it this way. So here's the pay-per-view ticket. The ticket price is $19.99, and it's in US dollars. This is a sell. Single, it's only for one single video, not one viewing, but one single video. The ticket title is SummerSlam 2. I changed the ticket color to red because that's our colors. I make the devices be able to swap automatically, but I only make it to where it's just one. These are decisions that you guys can make. So this way a person can go from a computer to a phone to a TV, and then remember to click save at the bottom. So now this is our paywall. We will show the paywall to the viewer immediately. So it's a little bit, sometimes they can get into the stream, watch it for a few minutes, and then the paywall comes up. If they know they're going to have to pay, that's a little annoying, because they're like, oh, it's free, and then it's not. So I always show the ticket immediately. It's up to you guys to change if you want. And I think that's everything. Let me check another ticket. Oh yeah, right here. Please check your inbox and spam. I always copy that right there to go into the description. And remember to hit save. Let's see what else. Ticket color. Yeah, I've got it blue for some reason on that one. It should be red. So now these are the tickets. Now the ticket is made. Let me click on Payment Gateway to see if there's any changes. No changes there. We use PayPal. All right, so go back to the videos section. Okay, and then click on SummerSlam 2, which is where we were. And now we're going to monetize it. So we're going to monetize. And it's going to be SummerSlam 2. I've been using the default emails template. There's not another template. Click Save. Remember to click Save. Access control. Their access is going to be a password. All right, so the next thing we do is we create access control. On the previous one, it was SummerSlam 5. That's Stand and Strike 5. So we're going to do SummerSlam access. We do not want to access without a password. So we need to do access control, password management, I believe. No, protection, password protection. All right. So we're going to add a new password protection. I'm going to look at the old one. It made the passwords for us. I'm pretty sure there's probably instructions on how to do this on the internet with Streaming's video provider. Also, they have a chat button here that you can ask questions. This is pretty much all I know. Okay, so new password. We're going to do a new password group. We're going to name it SummerSlam 2. Once again, we're going to be able to swap devices, one device, and I have the expirations at unlimited, I believe. Let me save this and see. Enter how many passwords. Oh, 50. And they're all random. Name is required. Oh. All right. So on this one we had unlimited SummerSlam 2. I'm looking over here how many devices are allowed. This one allowed 3. I'm not sure what the difference is. Okay, so SummerSlam, Stand and Strike, SummerSlam. All right. Now, I think we can go back and set up the video live stream. So we're going to go back to the live stream, back to the playlist, click on the video, go to access control, and it has its own access control. So we click, that one stays the same, click save. Delivery, I think that's the same. Here, branding, we have MMAX global branding. Availability is going to be video is on. And set offline player behavior. There's none. So basically what offline player behavior is you can have videos playing in the website before it goes live. That's not something that we need to do. That's something that maybe churches need to do, or maybe other organizations. We go live so rarely that we don't need to play any other offline media. Besides, I think that adds to the amount of media that we can use. So we have a cap on how much data can be used, and I'll make another video about that. So I believe that's it.